No, it's okay. It's pretty puppy.
Yeah.
Is that a puppy?
No, she's full grown.
Oh man.
It's kind of hard to handle because she can't see.
Yeah, we got a 16-year-old dog who's kind of blind. Wow. Is your new car dead already? You kidding? No more batteries? Huh? Where are ya? Well, what are you doing? It's kind of hard in this neighborhood, but I'm trying. It's kind of hard in this neighborhood, but I'm trying. Ah! What? Well, those are our local boom boxers. I found out where they live last night. Wasn't easy because they drive like 70 miles an hour down this street. And they lost it last night because somebody actually figured out where they lived. Now they're just plain upset. They seem to think there's a law against me following them home and finding out who they are. I haven't called the cops or anything. What? This way. That's what we need. We need rechargeable batteries for that other one.
Yeah, and recharge it.
Definitely. Oh, what's the date doing in here? I hate that. What? Oh, I know where they live. No, they come running out. Started threatening me right there on the street. So I just took off. But then they took off after me. So I drove to the police station. You know what they did? Three of them got out of the car and blocked the door to the police station so I couldn't go in.
Oh shit.
They seriously think they own this neighborhood.
I'll tell you what. Some kids do, bud.
No, they don't.
Well.
And I'm going to prove it to them.
I'll put it this way. They do when you do it face to face like that.
Yeah. Well, if they're going to keep...
Nothing to lose because they've got nothing.
Yeah.
And they've got all night long to come by and do whatever drive-bys or anything they want to do. So in that case, yeah, they do have to run it.
Well, considering Lakewood PD wants to spend all their time on Colfax, because all the little perks they get over there, you know. Oh yeah, and if they catch a drug dealer, they get to keep the car and everything.
But you can't get these guys face to face because they're with.
Well, there's always three of them too.
They won't do it if you face to face.
There's always three of them. They won't go anywhere alone because they'll get their butts kicked.
That's the whole game anyway.
Yeah.
They're young like that.
Yeah.
Their butts kicked. It's the fun part. You kick their butts, you ain't winning.
Well, I'll tell you what, they have to go shopping, you know. I don't know if they hold their hands when they go shopping, but...
You gotta do it in a different way where they don't know what the hell's going on. Because that blows their mind.
It blew their mind.
You confront them like this, they love that. They eat that up.
Actually, I do too.
I did. Actually, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? You can't beat them one-on-one that way.
Yeah.
Because they're young kids, they got nothing better to do than run around all night.
Yep.
And they got nothing to lose, man. You get a house and a family, they ain't got squat.
Yeah.
That's the tough part.
I had the video camera set up last night, just in case they decided to mess with the yard or the car or something.
Who was it that came by last night with the lowrider that somebody was...
Same ones. There's 3 kids, 3 cars, they all live in the same place. Their parents must be the biggest losers in town here,
Well,
you know?
it's a different car in the same family? Their same house?
3 kids, 3 cars, same family.
If we took off and I seen them down here and then it backed up, so I turned around, come back up, see what the hell was going on, and they fucking took off.
Yep. I know where they live now. They always drive so fast you couldn't possibly follow them, but I had the car turned around, the keys in the ignition, the camera in the back in the passenger seat, and I took off. I mean, I found them this time.
Where are they?
Right down at the bottom of the street, turn right at the stop sign. You know where the bike path is at the turn at the dead end? You turn left.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You have to go that way and then you have to go that way.
Down.
A couple of houses down.
I told you.
Yeah.
But that was a little Honda.
That's a big car too.
Primer piece of Honda was pulled over discolored back.
That's the 3rd car.
That's the 3rd car?
There's 3 cars all together.
That's the one that I followed home.
Yep.
I thought his bad.
Yep.
But I tell you, one-on-one, they got you whipped. They're pumpkin and gun. You keep the living shit out of them and you're going to lose. You got to get them where it hurts.
Where's that?
You got to snake them out when they're doing their shit they ain't supposed to. Get their ass above. You don't have to be face to face. They don't have to know you're the one that got them. You have to eat it yourself and say, I nailed them motherfuckers.
Oh, like doing what?
They're doing their drugs. You're doing their shit.
Oh, drugs. Yeah, yeah. Stake them out, huh?
Yeah. You gotta get them where they do their shit or they're stealing or whatever the heck they're doing wrong.
That would be fun.
Get them busted. And you can't be the one say, oh, I got you busted, because they still got you. Because you got a house and a family.
Yeah.
They ain't got squat.
Well, I also have a semi-automatic rifle.
Yeah, but you still, you ain't got squat.
I mean, no, well, they can't break in my house or they're all dead, and then I got them anyway.
Well, they can go by and do drive-by or do any crazy shit these kids do nowadays anyway. And they still beat you.
Comes right by my bed.
You shoot them dead and you go to jail. They got you again.
Not if they're in my house.
Yeah, but they're not going to be in your house.
Well,
they're not stupid. He'd come up to your lot, but he wouldn't go in.
No, he wouldn't.
He's not stupid.
Because then I could have hit him in the head with that rock.
These young kids are not stupid.
Yeah, that's why you had that rock out there
These
for.
punk kids are not stupid.
Yeah.
So you got to beat them at their own game.
Yeah.
You got to get them when they're doing shit wrong and have them busted.
So what do you want to tell Lakewood PD there, Dan? That they're a bunch of losers and...
Well, tell Lakewood PD they got some situations they know they got to deal with.
Yeah, but they don't think they do because I'm the only one ever complains about it.
Oh, I don't know about that. But...
Oh, they say I'm the only one in the neighborhood that seems to have some kind of problem. And an invisible problem.
Most of the neighborhood don't even call in on them.
Well,
they just sit
don't
there.
be running that camera. Because you ain't going to want what I have on.
What do you got on there?
You can't be harassing the young kids like that because they're harassing you.
They're harassing me. I'm not harassing them.
Well, you going right back to them is feeding it.
I walked out in my front yard. They were cursing our house from the street. What do you want me to do?
Hey, let them curse, man.
Let them curse?
You can go out there and just...
That's what the cops keep telling me.
Well, that's what they want.
Just let them keep doing this for year after year after year.
No, that ain't gonna happen. They'll grow up and they'll go on and the next bunch come in.
Yeah.
But you keep feeding it.
Yeah.
It gets worse.
I like feeding it. That's good stuff. No, I don't know what to do about it.
Get it on tape.
Get it on tape.
Talk to the cops and they'll feed your line. They'll let you know what to do.
When you find a pattern on what time they come, set the camera up the next day at that time. When they come by, start cursing, and turn it into the cops.
But you can't face them one-on-one because they're young kids and family.
Yeah, true.
And then don't even listen to it, just close the windows, don't listen to it. And then when they drive off, give it to the cops, tell them where they live. And
yeah. All right.
They won't
They
know
just
what the
feed on
heck's
that.
going on.
Yeah.
They just love that you wanted them to do something wrong.
Sure. Sure.